Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another tips and tricks video. And before we start, if you still have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you stay updated on more exciting videos that are coming up. Okay, so today's video we are going to talk about eyedropper pens. So I have got some queries on starting off these eyedropper pens. People who are new to eyedropper pens have difficulty in starting these pens. So I'll talk about how to properly you know prepare the pen and how to get it started. Okay, so if you have a new pen, the first step is to wash the pen thoroughly. Okay, so what you do is you take some water, and to that water you can add a few drops of dishwashing soap. Okay, let me add, okay, 1 or 2 drops will be fine. I think this is a tad little more. I'll just dissolve this. Okay, so your water should be, when you feel your water, it should feel soapy a little bit. Right, when this is done, you can open the pen and wash the pen. Okay, it's okay to wash the barrel also if you want. Yeah, we can prepare the barrel also, no problem with that. Barrel is fine for a single wash, but if you want good results, then you should keep the nib unit in the water for at least half an hour to a couple of hours. So for the demonstration purpose, I'll just wash it, and once this is done, you just take it out and dry that out. Okay, let's dry this out. Okay, so let me take this away. Okay, so let's fill in some ink in it now. Okay, I'm using a syringe to fill the ink today, so you can watch out for another video how to fill ink in this eyedropper pens. I have a separate video for that. Okay, so let's fill ink to this pen. I'm using a Dayton ink for today. Okay, so the barrel is full with the ink now. We have filled the barrel. Ideally, you should fill the barrel till this, till the marks of the screw, but it's fine. I'm not doing that. I'm just demonstrating today. And then you close the pen. Or first, before closing the pen, I think we should apply some silicone grease to the pen's threads. Okay, you take some silicone grease. The silicone grease is available online, and then you can apply the silicone grease. So if you don't have silicone grease, you can use Vaseline also. That's not a big deal, but people generally advise not to use Vaseline in eyedropper pens. Okay, so now it is closed. Now let's see if it works, if this pen works or not. Okay, it does not work. This is a old ink in the pen and it's not working. Okay, now what to do if the pen still does not work? So what you do is you take your ink bottle first, open the ink bottle, and then loosen your pen. Loose your pen. Okay, and then tilt your pen upside down, and then start closing the pen. Okay, let me see if I can do this more in light. Okay, I'll have to use my left hand then. Okay, so now you start closing the pen. You'll see ink flowing out. This is how we prime the eyedropper pens. And once you spill out 2-3 drops, your pen is good to go. Close the bottle, and there you go. The pen just writes fine. Otherwise, if you don't use this method of priming the eyedropper pens, it's really hard to start them. You have to hold these pens like this and shake it violently to get the ink out. Now the pen has primed. It is throwing up ink easily. Hope this video helps, and thanks for watching. Please like the video, leave a comment, and as always, share the video, and please do subscribe to the channel. That'll help. Thank you.